Let's learn action words. Win, you win the race. Walk, walk real slow. Throw, throw the ball far. Think, think with your brain. Play, play with your toys. Swim, swim in the pool. Smell, smell a flower. Sleep, sleep like a baby. Sing, sing a happy song. Sit, sit on the chair. Shout, shout, yay! Run, run very fast. Read, read a fun book. Pull, pull the rope. Paint, paint a rainbow. Lift, lift your arms. Laugh, laugh with friends. Kneel, kneel down low. Kick, kick the ball. Jump, jump high. Eat, eat your snack. Drink, drink some juice. Draw, draw a star. Dance, dance and spin. Cry, cry softly. Crawl, crawl like a baby. Cook, cook pretend food. Bend, bend your knees. Great job! You learned action words.